Ooh, James with a great balance again. Looks like his fake tire caught, but it didn't hold much time.